couple different times people said, man, Mark, the screen looks antiquated. It looks old. It's like, what do you mean? I don't know. I personally have liked the way it's structured and laid out. But some people have made some comments about, well, it doesn't have dark mode or whatever. So with the speed of AI, went through and said, okay, let's fix this. So next to your bell, on the left-hand side of your bell, we now have an appearance icon. In that appearance icon, you can click on that and you can choose from different modes or different themes, either light themed items or dark themed items. Whenever you are in the light theme area, the classic is our normal day-to-day, how we've always had SAM. But if you choose some of the other themes, you can now see that it does change colors. If you prefer one color over another, certainly, have at it, use it the way you want. That said, most of the light colors should be fine. But if you get into the dark colors, so what we can do is we can come over here and we can say, go into dark mode, and it changes it all together whenever it goes into dark mode. This is really good for if you're in, you're up late at night, you're working through your database, and you're sitting in your comfy recliner, and you don't want this huge glow giving you a sunburn at night. You can actually, you go into dark mode, you can see everything quite well, much better in dark than in light. But now you can see all things. If you guys start using dark mode, which we've already had a lot of people say that they really, really like it. If there's any screens that you run into is like, oh, I can't read a certain thing, let me know, do a screenshot, send it to me. I'll make sure that it's corrected. We did use AI to go through and try to, calculate and find every place that it needed to be dealt with dark mode. But we are finding at times black on dark is really hard to read. So making sure that you can see all the words and stuff in there. But this is really good. Again, it's an eye perception type thing. Whenever you are working late at night, if you are, we're not suggesting you do that, but a lot of people do. And if you do, dark mode definitely will give you that that eye strain relief and not be as big a problem. But there are different dark mode themes. If you don't like purple, you can go red, blue, green. So there's different flavors of each one of those. Whenever you go into them, everything is dark through the entire piece. You go into it. Different screens look different now because of the different themes. But you can go through. For the tabs are the only thing that's different in that if you've pre-assigned, so each of the tabs can be assigned a specific color, and if they are set for a specific color, they will stay that color, whatever you've assigned them to. Otherwise, it will use the theme color that you've selected. So certainly do that how you want.